33 more dumbbell exercises to build muscle in the areas that you want to build in. Whether that's your arms, biceps, triceps, back muscles, chest muscles, shoulders, or even your legs. These are the exercises that I do myself on the weekly basis to build the amount of muscle that I have built throughout my entire life. Backstory, guys, I used to be a super scrawny kid, and I'm gonna make sure to put some videos of me being super scrawny as a kid right here so you guys can see that. These are the exercises that you wanna be doing, that I do to make sure that I'm putting on size to my chest and throughout my entire body, guys. At the end of this video, I'm gonna give you a free offer, man. All you gotta do is just give me your email address, and I'm gonna give you some free workouts as well, along with the exercises that you're seeing throughout this entire video, guys. 33 more dumbbell exercises to build muscle right now. This is the video that you don't want to miss. Let's get to the video. Woo! Boom, just like that, guys. I said I'm gonna give you guys some bonus tips and some freebies at the end of this video. Check the links down below, guys. I have plenty of free ebooks that are gonna be coming with exercises, workouts for you guys to see the changes that you wanna see with some of my guidance and some of my advice, right? So if you guys want exercises to focus and build your chest, I got you. If you guys want exercise to focus on building your arms, I got you. If you guys want exercises to slim and burn belly fat, I got you. Just check down below in the description and I'll send that over right to you guys and we can help you see the changes that you want to see. I'll see you guys in the next video. It's been your man Royal. Peace out. Hey.